Hi everybody, Greg Agee here. Today I'll be talking about how to download plugins and actions to Photoshop Elements. Downloading plugins and actions for Photoshop Elements is actually a very simple process. Just go to the developers page on the internet and follow the instructions for downloading to your computer. Now, even though the downloading process is straightforward, the installation of plugins and actions requires a little bit more effort. In most cases, when you download plugins, they have an automated process that will install the plugin to the correct location in your Elements program. But for actions, installing them into Elements is a bit more of a manual process. Now, I'm currently using Photoshop Elements 11, so the following technique for installing actions works only for this version. All previous versions of Elements requires a more detailed process that is often provided as written instructions by the action supplier. So let's go ahead and get started. First open up Elements and make sure that you're on the Expert tab. Now we'll need to open up the Actions panel, so let's go up to the Windows menu and click on Actions, and this will open up the Actions panel. Now go to the top right of the Actions panel where you'll see a tiny downward facing arrow along with 4 horizontal lines next to it, and then click on it. And this will open up the Actions options. Once the options are open, click on Load Actions. This will then open up a window asking you to navigate to the download actions. Go ahead and locate them on your computer and then click the Open button. Once you've done that, go ahead and restart Elements and your new actions are ready to go.